Hello friends. I am glad to welcome you on my channel. I always have a lot of new reviews for you. Subscribe and like. Yesterday it became known that Apple will transfer the entire range of iPhones of 2019 to OLED screens. Apparently, the latest Apple smartphone with LCD matrix will be the budget 6.1-inch iPhone, which will be presented this fall. Or will the company switch to OLED this fall? According to insiders, now Apple is considering two possible options: completely abandon the LCD display in the next generation iPhone, going to the OLED matrix. Still, add an iPhone with an LCD screen to the overall lineup. In this case, the line will consist of 4 smartphones. Despite the fact that there is no official confirmation of these rumors, the market has already responded properly. For example, the value of Japan display shares decreased by 10%, and Sharp by 4%. These companies are engaged in the production of LCD matrices and are direct suppliers of Apple. Last year, Apple invested in LG Display, thereby allowing the Korean manufacturer to launch production of OLED matrices of proper quality. It is assumed that in this way will be reduced direct dependence on Samsung in the near future, which currently is the only supplier of OLED matrix for iPhone X. There will be a lot of interesting information for you on my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and like. See you again on my channel.